heavy. Oh, okay. Oh, my back. Oh, man. Ang bigat. Oh. So, good morning everybody. So, today is January 20 and we're going to do the balikbayan boxes. So, yun yung mga damit na kailangan ko dito sa itaas. Those are the things that I need to get rid of. Except sa bottom. Those are mine. But before that, we're going to make this as a box. Since naka-flat pa siya, kailangan ko ng mga duct tape. So, I'm going to use this for securing the box. So, yan din. Papadalagay ko sa box. Those are for the box. Yan is for sale. And those are, I need to get rid of. Papadala ko dyan sa Pinas. So, stay tuned and that will be all for the moment. So, keep watching. So, this is the size of the box. This is their jumbo. Jumbo hotdog. So, ato ni siyang i-form as into square. Okay, para masulod natin, malagay natin yung mga gamit sa loob. OMG. Why? There. So we're securing the box through the duct tape. Ganyan yung gagawin natin. So we're making it like this. Hindi madali ha. Hindi madali magpadala. Hindi rin madali mag-box. Kasi yung laman ng box mo, ginagasto mo rin yun. Binaldas mo rin, binayaran yun. Hindi ko to, yung mga nilalagay ko dito sa box na to, hindi ko yun na dumpster diving. Ginasto ko rin to, okay? Naggasto din ako. Ginusto ko rin man kasi, di ba, sharing is loving. Charot. But, yeah. Ito yung box na lalagyan natin. Bali, dalawa siya. Yung isa na sa ibaba. Kasi, no guys, nandun din kasi ibang mga dapat ilagay na mga gamit. So this is only for, pag hindi ito mapuno, syempre, yung ibang mga gamit sa ibaba, nadagdag ko dito kasi ang main, dito sa Atlas na to, sa shipping na company na to is, hindi sila nagbe-base sa weight. Syempre, wag mo naman din lagyan na parang bato na. Hindi sila nagbe-base sa weight. As long as kung ano pa yung malagay mo dyan, lagay ka lang ng lagay. Doesn't matter. As long as nga, wag mo namang sobrang damihan na mag-explode na yung box. So, you gotta make sure it also secure. And, ito namang box is, sulit din naman din siya. The quality is also thick. So, yeah, you gotta we need to make this secure, okay?
You
Okay guys, I'm going to show you what I've done. So I already put duct tape in this side and also duct tape on the bottom. So what I did is nag-straight lang ako tapos pina-horizontal ko. Ay vertical, ano ba yan? And this is it. Ito yung natapos ko na bag. That should be on the top. And then there you go. Oh my god, I still have a lot of things to do. Hi Kali. So that will be all for now. We'll see. Hey guys. Unang isang star, dako tayo siya. So, what we're gonna do,
10,000 people around the Caribbean. What do I mean?
Itong liit. Sabi na yun. So what we're gonna do is patuloy silang tamang-tamang ni Ana. So, nalipat na kayo na siya, ingana lang na. So, atong i-ready ang vacuum. Ay, kabayo. So, sunod at natin sa dagan pag space pero bukat kayo sa jumbo ng gabi. So, muna itong buhaton ha. Itong siradan, karon-karon. Sirado pa ba? Kaya ba? Ilan? Kung hindi siya naglalak, make it sure nga naka-ano siya, imano-mano nyo na lang siyang i-close, okay? Ready? So, let's do the vacuum. And think naka-close. Okay, making sure naka-close eh. So, you see this one, it's so high. Let's check. So, this mouth for the vacuum, we're gonna put it by this one, the plastic, okay? Ready na? Kanina, bloated siya. Ngayon, konti. Sana, oh. So, ready na sila ilagay sa box. So, let's put in the box, guys. But first thing, let's put this first. Oh no, I don't think that's gonna help. We'll see. It's heavy. Oh, okay. Oh, my back. Oh man, ang bigat. Oh, oh, shucks. Kasi kailangan niyang ialis mo na yung blanket kasi hindi mo cash. Ayan. So what I did para mag-fit siya, inopen ko siya ulit tapos finish ko siya para ma-close siya kasi nga ano siya, lampas siya sa back, so ang box hindi ma-close. So now it's perfect. Let's see. Okay. Look at. Yay! Solid na siya. So, look at what happened. So, I didn't need to make sure now we can still close the box. So, yeah, malaki yan, diba? It's pretty heavy. So, now it's good. Another batch na naman, guys.